Hey guys, Christy J here with a scooter check. So start off with Blazer grips with the Blazer bar ends, quite comfy to ride with. Slam Vandal bars, and then moving down, Slam clamp 4-bolt. And then Nico headset clicks a bit, and then Slam forks with Blazer pegs with Slam wheels, and then Slam Vandal deck, and moving down, just move that over a bit. Slam wheel, another Blazer peg, and then Slam flex brake. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Well, I don't know. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. So yeah, just guys, bye.